Hey everyone, I'm Yvonne Fish, one of your instructors for CMath 146. So what this course is a 2 instructor course with 7 credits. So we have a co-requisite, so you learn your statistics, but you're learning your algebra alongside a refreshing on it. So if it is something more than refreshing, you might want to consider taking a Math 92 course instead, and then doing the CMath 146. First thing to know is that when you get into your dashboard here, clicking on a feed is actually not the best way to enter the course. You want to, instead of doing like a list view or something like that, go on these 3 dots and click card view, and then actually enter our course. Then I'm going to switch over to student view for you so you can see what it looks like from your point of view. And we have our home page with all our info. We meet Wednesdays at 12:40 in 23-101. Make sure you bring your login information with you or memorize that so you can access the computers in the room. We have a lab, which is really nice. Generally, assignments are due Monday, Wednesday, Fridays, except if it's a holiday, I'll work around that. For example, some things might be due on a Tuesday instead of a Monday. It just depends. Not always. If you clicked over here, like on a feed, if you've already kind of gone through everything, you should be able to access, or if it's not in order, you can access it. So this one is not in order as a requirement, but it's best to go in order, because if you start doing this quiz but you haven't read the syllabus yet, that'll make it challenging. So you can go to modules here. Best thing is to start on this page and work through in sequence down the line. And then once you complete all those things, this Algebra Week 1, the review will open up for you. And then Statistics Week 1 is your college level Math 146. That's the second part of the week. Okay. And that will open once you get through that getting started module, but we want to make sure you know how to use the course first. You also have some materials up here. Materials that we use in class will be posted after class meets. You don't get makeup points for missing a class, but you do get 2 misses. So if you have to miss, you can find your resources there. I'm just going to do a quick walkthrough. You can go back to your home page at any point, and you can see the outline, and you can get to your modules from there as well. So if you're like, oh, I know the date, it's week 1, here's where I'm supposed to be, this is what I'm on, it'll open right to that spot for you. Then we're going to click here to begin, and then read the information, and this one says to mark as done to get it completed. If you don't do that, you will not have that check mark. And then if you don't have all the check marks in the getting started module, you won't be able to get into your week 1 content. So make sure you click done, and then just move on. And here's your syllabus to read through. And that one was just to view the page. A lot of those are that way. So if you go back to modules, you can see the check marks. So make sure you get all your check marks. And once you do that, just work through everything, this will open up for you. But for now, you won't see that. There's also recent announcements that you can see here, about the course, Okay, so that's just a little quick video to make sure you get into the course, know how to get started, work in sequence through modules, and that is the best approach to do for the first couple of days. You can work ahead once you get that getting started. It's best to just get right into that content. And we'll usually have things posted a week or two ahead. If we don't, you can always go to the home page, kind of see what's coming up. And if you're ready for week 3 and you don't see these highlighted yet, but you're like, oh, I really want to get started, just let us know. Let me know. I can probably just make a few edits that I need to do. Everything's pretty much ready, but just need to get like due dates in and things like that. And I'll get that ready sooner rather than later for you. But for right now, the first 2 weeks are ready. All right, I hope you have a great day. Look forward to meeting you soon.